Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor here in Vancouver, and today I'm with Josh Raber of Vancouver Diamonds. Josh is going to help me demonstrate some exercises which are going to help improve your posture, keep you in tip-top shape, and help prevent injury. Exercise is one of the three components of spinal hygiene. When you combine physical activity with exercise, stretching, and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it, feel free to leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've got a lot more great content coming, and so please enjoy this video and we'll speak to you shortly. This next exercise is called the tabletop twisters. So you're going to put yourself into tabletop position, and then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your thoracic spine through. Exactly. Up and through. And the purpose of this is to create flexibility in your thoracic spine, which allows for more breathability through those muscles and through that part of the spine. If you're having upper and mid back problems, this is a great exercise to be doing. I call it the tabletop twisters. Thanks, John. Thanks again for watching. And once again, my name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, please visit my website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email me with any questions that you have. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks a lot, Josh. Thanks for helping.
Thanks for having me, Michael.
You bet. Have a great day, everyone.